Hello, in this video I will show you how the backend of your website looks like. So click My Business website on the left hand side, and after your first installation you will see two sections. There's a website, with the button you can access the backend. This is the link and your website name. By clicking on it you will be able to see how your website looks like. Of course, by default you will have bodygraphchart branding, and you can delete website if you want, and then you can add your domain name. The current domain name looks like this one, and you can of course add your domain name here. But this is in a separate video. In this video I want to just talk about the backend. So click dashboard, and this is your website backend. So I'm going to mention the most important parts, so where you can focus more. As an example, the pages, you can create and change the content. If I click About Me page, and now I open the front end About Me page, this is how it looks the front end, and this is how it looks the back end. Very simple. So this is the pages, and of course in the next in different videos I will talk more detailed how to edit and create pages. So this is the service page where you can creating your multiple services. At the moment we have 4 services pages. As an example, if I go to the front end, there are services 1, 2, 3, 4. If I go inside, this is simple service pages. And in testimonials, so you can add your own testimonials from your clients. It's very simple. If you click add new one, there's a name, testimonial, publish. And all the testimonials are going to look like on the carousel. Now for the WooCommerce, I'm going to create a separate video for this one. And the products, this is where you can add your own human design reading reports that you have created on bodygraphchart and start selling. By default you will see one report created by bodygraphchart. Now next one, of course, in the marketing page you can create coupon codes with discounts and settings. On the settings page you click the bodygraphchart. This is where you can change your language. Okay, let's say Portuguese. You can change the design of the chart, and all these things is coming from your account. As an example, for the languages, on the drop down menu you will be able to see all languages that you have already on your account. Same with the design. All chart designs will be from your account. Now my apps, this is going to be all your list of the newsletters that you have activated or set up on your bodygraphchart account here on my apps newsletter. So, and of course you can create your own list of the newsletters that you can set up, and you will be able to see on the backend and just enable any newsletters that you would like to send the data. Other options, you can allow your customers save the charts. Email field you can make optional. Enable terms and conditions checkbox and change the text, and then mark the reports that they are completed, and automatically send some emails with the report. So on the right hand side is the shortcodes. There's going to be a separate video how to use them, the tutorial video, and some links, maybe useful links for you. There's a tab, translation tab, where you can translate all the things. Let's say if you select Portuguese language and you want to translate to Portuguese, so you're just changing all these things and it's going to be automatically changed all the labels here. So next one, so in terms of the language, of course you go to settings in general, and there is site language, okay, and now it's English, but you can select your language and it will be translated all website, but of course some labels need to be translated with this tab. So this is how you can translate. Bodygraph chart section on the left hand side allows you to change logos, footer text, which is here below, and then colors, and of course fonts. You can select the fonts. Let's see if I type Roboto. And maybe I just put some random things, click save, and if I go now refresh, this is changed now. If you see fonts, you can change the fonts, you can change the colors. There's a link, generate gradient here, so by clicking on these ones you can create your own gradient, for example, and just copy that part and paste in this field. I click save, and then it will be changed, or the colors, gradient color. So yeah, so I think this is it what I would just like to cover in this video. Very high level of the backend to understand, and in the next videos I'm gonna speak about more about the how to change colors and fonts here. So thank you so much. Bye.